Hi, in this video we are going to make a cake in the microwave. And the ingredients we need are jam, sugar, 1 egg, baking powder, flour, butter, and milk. First, we have to melt the butter. Then, we are going to add 4 tablespoons of flour. Then, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, we are going to add less than a half of a tablespoon of baking powder. When you already add the baking powder, you have to add an egg yolk. Then add 1 tablespoon of milk. Finally, you have to add 2 tablespoons of butter that we already melt. When we already add all the ingredients, we have to mix them. Then we have to make like a hole in the mix to add jam. And then add the jam. Then we have to cover the jam with the mix. The next step is put the mix in the microwave for 2 minutes. It has to look like this. And for the decoration we can put apple with jam. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.